Still using Windows 10 and want to get more comfortable with Command Prompt? CMD gives you quick access to file management, networking tools, system information, and troubleshooting commands. In this guide, I'll walk you through the essentials so you can start using CMD with confidence. First, open the Start menu and search for Command Prompt or CMD. Click the result to open it normally. If a command needs administrator permissions, right-click Command Prompt and select Run as administrator, then approve the security prompt. Let's start with basic navigation. Type dir and press Enter to see the files and folders in your current location. Use CD followed by a folder name to enter a folder, such as CD Documents. To go back one level, type cd ... Simple but very useful. CMD can handle everyday file operations too. Use mkdir to create folders, copy to duplicate files, move to relocate them, and ren to rename them. For example, mkdir projects creates a new folder called projects. These commands can save time when you're working with lots of files. When you're troubleshooting internet or network problems, CMD becomes especially useful. Run ipconfig to view your network configuration, or use ipconfig/all for detailed adapter information. You can also use ping to test whether a device or website responds. To learn more about your computer, type sysdminfo. It displays Windows and hardware information. You can also run tasklisd to see currently running processes. And for protected Windows system files, sfc/scannow can scan for corruption and attempt repairs. You don't need to memorize everything. Type help to see a list of available commands, or add /? after a command for its specific options. For example, ping /? displays help for the ping command. This makes CMD much easier to learn because the instructions are right there. And that's the basic command prompt workflow on Windows 10. Start with navigation and file management, then move into networking and system troubleshooting as you get more comfortable. Always understand a command before running it, especially if it can change or delete files. So practice with harmless examples, and you'll quickly get the hang of CMD.